Hi everyone, as many people request me to do more quilting, and I also want to do that too, so get rid of my little fabric that hanging around. The fabric here I have it for in just square piece, and I have one with the Christmas design, or you can do any color, any prints you want, and it is 4 inches square and right side facing in. You're going to sew a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. You're gonna sew all 4 sides all the way down to here. Before I 1/4 of an inch I stop, and then I go to this side. Before I 1/4 of an inch coming down, go over. Turn this around. Going to draw from one side to the other side to the green one, because I want to keep the Christmas. Whatever you want to keep, you face it down and you cut the other side. So take one side out like this and make sure I go right to the line here, and then I'm going to cut just a bit so the tip of my scissor can go in and cut the straight line all the way. So press this out, iron this. So after this, you're gonna cut this little tail right here off. And then whatever fabric you want to use next, you go to place the right side facing down, and I make sure it meet the side and everything. So right side facing in, you're going to cut this around, and then you're going to sew. And I do exact the same way we did to the first one. Draw the line and then cut exact the same. It's called never endless. You can continue this until you get into the side of the blanket if you want to, but if you want to make the coaster, the placemat, the pillow, you're going to stop where the side you are looking for. So I'm gonna go and cut just a little bit and repeat this step. Try to stay in line. So after I iron and then trim around, I also cut another piece of the green. You can go between green and red and whatever, alternate. Right side facing the right side. Now you go to do exactly the same way. Sew the four side and then cut whatever fabric that you add. You go on to cut on that side. So everyone, after I trim around the third one, the green right here, I am going to place it in here. This is the Insu Bright. So I'm going to place on top of this, and then another one same size for the back. So place it on right side facing out, so you can go and sew this around. So for that, and then you can go from the green here, go all the way, and then sew all around. It's just like a top stitch, but every line you sew, you top stitch this. That, and then you continue to do on the red, go on the red, and then after that you go on the green, and then I'll show you how to do the border. After I top stitch around here, I use this 2 inches wide, and then I fold it in the center, and then the two sides folded in, just like I'm making my own bias tape basically. And so I'm gonna go from one side here. I'm going to place one that's right there in the center of that pointy, and then I'll go on to sew this in. When it gets to here, I'm gonna go up, and then I'm going to go down this way, so that way when I come down, it's going to be even. Just like that, and then sew all around. Go to the corner, do exactly the same way I just showed you. So when I get into here, when we started, I'm gonna go like this, get out, and then I turn this around. I'm gonna sew this straight. I go about a few inches, but I'll show you. Okay, I'll go out about 4 or 5 inches. I sew all the two fold together like this. Go a little bit more. So I go out about 5 inches or so. You can see that this is how much we have, right? So then I'm going to go and cut that off. Then you're going to sew on the top here. You're gonna turn this way and go into the pocket here. When I sew that, it's about a 3/4 of an inch. I didn't sew. Just go right down like that. And so you can make pair, you can make many, you can make a whole set, full gift. That is very easy to make, everyone. This is a 7 inch and a quarter. That is so pretty. Easy, everyone watching the video can do this 1 or 2 or 3. And the back, it's so beautiful. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that donate to my channel, visit my channel every time I upload the video. Like, hype, and share the video with others. Love you. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.